Good morning, families and friends. You see, my topic for this morning is the voice that guides you. Deuteronomy 18:15-19. So imagine standing at the edge of a new land, surrounded by voices promising guidance, some helpful, some dangerous. This was Israel's reality. God warned them, do not follow the abominations of the nations. Deuteronomy 18:9-14. Sorcery, witchcraft, divination, these were harmful and they were tools of deception and destruction. But God didn't leave them in the dark. He promised, the Lord your God will raise up for you a prophet like me. Him you shall hear. Verse 15. See, that prophet is Jesus Christ. Just as Moses guided Israel safely, Jesus guides us through life's chaos. He speaks truth, brings life, and opens the way to salvation. See, Ellen White reminds us, Christ is the true and faithful witness. We are to hear his voice and obey his words. Great Controversy, pages 503. Here's the lesson, friends. The voices you follow shapes your destiny. Culture, media, fear, superstition, these are tempting, but only Jesus offers life. Today, tune your ears to his voice. Listen to him. Follow him. Let the shepherd guide you safely into the promised land of peace, purpose, and eternal life. Which voice are you following?